Hello everyone, my name is Fernan and this is my channel Fernancoop. I'm here today for my chickens to talk about my adventure in the security of the chickens. But first, I need you to do something for me. Subscribe, leave the comments below, ring the bell, and like, and share. Alright? But now, let's get to the adventure when I had the chickens. So my mom wants to get chickens for them. When we got them, they're cute. And fuzzy. That day, they're fun and cute. And they're crazy too. But now, they turned into big and even more fun. They've been so fun and good. And so far, they've been growing and growing. Now, I want to talk about the security. The security, we have our fence here. The fence is to keep the predators out during the day and night. We also have lights there, so each night turn on for any predators that come nearby and tries to get the chickens. The light will flash and will scare the predator away. We also have a gate that allows us to close and open for the chickens. We also have a ladder, a miniature ladder, even a brick to help support it, and nothing will try to open the door easily from the outside. But also, the security also helps us for like any flying predators or slithering ones. And because we have two layers here, the regular layer, and then we have the wire there for like anything small, slithery can go through there. And if they do, the chickens will be not here today. But we have been making sure our chickens were safe and nothing will happen to them. And here they are now. We have our hens out front, some are inside. Here we have our two roosters there. They've been good so far, but one of our roosters have been not so good that much because he likes to sometimes bother like that right there, you see. But we make sure that sometimes they won't attack each other, because if they do, they could get hurt really bad. So we stop them from doing that. So what we need to do is to keep them safe. And we have our security here and stuff, but we need more than just security. We need protection for the chickens too. So that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the comments below, ring the bell, like it, and also share with your friends. Have a good day. Stay tuned to my next video, which we're going to talk about the food for the chickens. It's going to be a good time. And thank you for watching. I'm Fernan, and this is my chickens from Fernancoop.